And hello guys, welcome back to another video with acting with airplane crashes today. But yes, there's a part 2 which is from now. Wait, I made it yesterday, but I seriously didn't upload it. Sorry guys, but I already have it, so we're going to watch part 2. Ding, ding, ding. Later we're going to play Cityscape, which is my favorite game too. And how do we know that we're going to play another game which is called Rivals? But it's too hard to play it. So, but let's just get started. See the end until something happens with mid-air collisions. Yep, we're going to start with mid-air collisions later. Like, look at that, so many collisions. Wait, let's just do it so viewers cannot wait, because I don't like people to hate me little. But here's the crashiest part. What's the airplane? So for this, actually this is already mid-air collision, which is this Boeing 747 thing is literally is going to crash on this Airbus, I think. Wait, is it? Or is it? Airbus A340. No, 40. So this one is going to crash this wing over here, and let's see the results here. Here first, then there, and then the second plane there. Let me see if they fall. Let's go. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, it's so laggy. Oh my gosh. I think these parts are glitched out. That's why they are glitched, and they are, I don't know, no, broken off. But it's too laggy because there are so many pieces. But still, let's go clean them up. What is this? Delete it. So, what is the results? Results. This is the results. Oh my, total fatalities 65. Wow, that's so many. 956. So 4 injuries, minor injuries too. 7 survivors. I think those people, when the airplane just so when the airplane crashes to the another airplane crash to the airplane's wing, back of the wing, something went wrong. The people on the top just survived, and I don't know why did they survive, and they just fall off and just did this. Like that. I don't know. Now, for this airplane crash, let's go on here. I don't know why is this airplane going here. Oh, so it's going there. So it's going to be here. First airplane crash. Oh, there is it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, both. Oh my gosh. Let me see them. Oh my god. Wow, that's crazy. Wow. Let's end. Here's the results again. 7 on 7 again. 8, 1, 6, 56, 8, 64, 67. I think barely 8 survivors or 7 survivors can survive that. Now for the airplane here. Let's go. Let's go going far away and let me see if this plane is going to the another airplane. Let's go. Who's that? So that's the Boeing 747. Oh my! Too fast. Cannot record it. Whoa. Do I hear screams? Yep, I can hear. Oh my gosh, it looks like a supernova with many planets. I'm circling. Oh my gosh, that's devastating. Crash. Well, the mid-air collision was too crazy a little, but someone made it, but actually I made it. Is that supposed to be a tornado? Oh my gosh, I can see many parts there. Well, let's go. What is that part? I think that's the parts of it. So let's go see the results. Let's see. Oh my. Not 66! 10, 56, 20, I think 7 or 6 or 8 or 9. Wait. 9 and 8 and 7 and 6 can survive that crash. Wait. Wait. Oh my gosh. So, let's go. Let's go home. And let's go. That's why I don't like this game when I'm recording. Fine, let's go to Scape City, which is the popular game, which is you can make houses like that. Let's just do a talk about it. Here's what I'm talking about. This building right there, it's Cityscape, which is my favorite game, which is we can make airports. Oh wow.
Uy, tinan mo tong damit
What?
mo.
Uy. Let's go. Ow. Popeye has a poop on it. No, there's no poop here. But there's one for my dog. Curious. He always makes dirt poop. He makes poop. Yep. Can allow disabled temple. What did they? I don't understand. Let's go. This guy load. City. Not New York, it's Alpha New York City. I don't know why did they call it York. But if it's the name in. Wait. What did they got off? I think this. Why always Roblox isn't responding? Roblox isn't responding. Stop! So let's just ignore that. He makes me angry when Roblox has started. Roblox isn't responding like that. I don't like it. So let's play it again. Later we're going to play Rival. But I'm going to scream a lot in Rivals. What? Huh? Look! Okay guys, wait. Ala, nasa ni Kumot. Wait.